because I'm going to be chained to the bed as a weird sexual.
I like where this is going. Giggity, giggity, giggity.
So you are all essentially this evening fulfilling one of my wet dreams.
What the Sigma?
Renee! We're back, we're back!
Oh shit. Oh, that's alright, mate. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Fuck! Dead man! Lucky my gun didn't work then, mate. Oh my day. Oh, sorry, mate. Oh, fucking hell. Sorry. Dead man. Banded. Oh, you're unbanded. Oh!
Do we go? Basically,
That way.
at the end of the game, it'd be all of you guys looking for one man.
If they can take all three of us out.
Is the prison open?
That would be a good room.
No, it's not even open.
Oh, we're not going there.
I'm going to the prison.
Just wandering.
10, 9,
Go, 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 go! Don't be nervous, he'll only touch you a little bit.
Closer. Closer. Ow, you dickhead!
Ah, you fuck!
That's brilliant, you dickhead!
All I used was a little pistol. You want to see something that will hurt?
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, go.
No, fuck off, fuck off. You want something that will hurt, mate? Bend over.
Do you know the kind of girlfriends I get?
People missing That's sprayed as well. Shotgun.
Do that shit round corners.
Ah, you fucker! Is that everyone?